Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Whew. Finally, after going to Mount Kawi, I can buff this thing. Hi everybody, it's me Alra. Let's unboxing. I've been dreaming about this thing. It's like 3 years ago since I'm studying my cooking content. Is it headpiece? Yeah, I know. And I got a plate. No, it's not a plate. It's plate, but it's not for a plate. I need to move it a bit. Dude, it's heavy. It's heavy. The moment of truth. Oh shit, it's stuck. Ta-da! My voice. Ta-da! Oh. It's upside down. Please don't make me upset, yeah? You know what I'm going to do with this microwave? Of course, cooking! Oh my god, guys. It's been a long time since I do my cooking content, right? Oh my god, I miss this place. I miss this POV. Onion? Lemongrass? What? Okay, make it simple. We're gonna make... Heat up my roti bakar. I know, I'm not that dumb. I got this. Air panas, air panas. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is my first time using microwave. So, this video is for show off my new microwave. That's all. Thank you. Bye.